In this video, I will show you how you can make multiplication table of different numbers. Firstly, I am going to show the table which I will make. If you are interested, you should see complete video, otherwise you can leave at this stage. I have created my file multiplication table in Jupyter Notebook. Firstly, I am going to create my function multiplication table in which I have given x as a parameter. Then I use for loop. Range will be 10. In this step, I will be increased by adding 1 in every iteration. Now I am use a new variable which is a, in which my parameter will be multiplied by I. I am using print function which print my table. Now here user can give an input as a parameter which will be used for multiplication table. Now I am going to call my function multiplication table. Then I run my code. I use 3. So my table is created, which I have shown in the starting of the video. If I give another number, so my table again is created. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If yes, so like this video, share with your friend and subscribe my channel. And if you want to give any suggestion, any advice for me, you can write in comment section. Thank you.